Leute, I'm back with another beginner's lesson. In this video, I'm going to teach you the first 10 German words that you must know. So if you are a total beginner and you're learning German completely from scratch, this video is perfect for you. If we haven't met yet, hello and welcome to Speak Fluent German. My name is Salome and I'm a certified native German teacher from Frankfurt. My mission with this channel is to help you boost your German language skills to the next level. So if this sounds good to you, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly lessons. Alright, let's start very basic and repeat after me to practice your pronunciation at the same time. If we want to greet someone in German at any time of the day, you can say Hallo. Hallo. The next word you need to know is the word for yes, which is ja in German. Repeat after me. Ja. And of course also no in German, which is nein. Nein. Now, if you want to know how someone is doing, you can use the phrase wie geht's? Wie geht's? In German, we don't really say how are you. The literal translation of wie geht's is actually how is it going? Wie geht's? That's important to keep in mind because when we want to say that we're doing well, we don't say I am good in German. We say mir geht's gut, which literally means it's going good for me. Mir geht's gut. Mir geht's gut. Don't say ich bin gut, which would mean I am good. That's actually a common mistake that I clarify more in depth in this video right here. I've also created a free PDF with the common mistakes German learners make that goes along with that lesson, so I highly recommend checking that out if you haven't already. The next word you'll need very often in daily life is the word for excuse me. You will literally use it all the time before you ask a question. So in order to say excuse me, you say Entschuldigung. Repeat after me. Entschuldigung. The next word or phrase that is very important to know is I am hungry. In German, however, we rarely say I am hungry. We rather say I have hunger, and hunger is pronounced Hunger in German. Hunger. Now, if you want to say I am hungry or I have hunger, you would say Ich habe Hunger. Ich habe Hunger. The same applies for being thirsty. We rarely say I am thirsty, even though that phrase exists, of course, but it is more common to say I have thirst. Thirst in German is Durst. Durst. So in order to say I have thirst, you say Ich habe Durst. One more time. Ich habe Durst. When you have really enjoyed the meal and you want to say it's yummy, you can use the word lecker, which means yummy or tasty. Lecker. Let's put this in a whole phrase. That's yummy in German is das ist lecker. Das ist lecker. Alright, the next phrase that comes in handy when you're out and about is asking for the toilet. In German, the toilet is die Toilette. Noch einmal, die Toilette. So in order to ask for the toilet, you'll ask, wo ist die Toilette bitte? Wo ist die Toilette bitte? If you found this quick and easy lesson helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you want to learn more from me, then definitely check out my free training for beginners where I go more in depth into German pronunciation, basic grammar structures, daily life conversation, and a lot more. The link to register completely for free is in the description box below. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!